So let's just start today's journey, and our journey today is journey number 10. In this journey, I'm going to explain you more regarding date functions, and I'm not going to explain you in very much detail what date functions, the syntax, and all these things. Today's goal is to just make you aware what are the date functions we have and what is use of all these date functions. So once you will know what is use of date function, then once I will teach you in next journeys that what is syntax and all, you will understand in better way. So let's see what are the date functions we have. Before moving to the types, let's try to understand what exactly we can do using date function. So for an example, if I want to add 3 months in a date, how we can do that? So for that purpose, we have add months. So you can see a date, and then if we are going to add 3 in that, the output is going to be 3rd October. So let's see what are the date functions we have here. Mainly we use add months, months between, and last day. So what is months between actually? So if we have 2 dates and we want to know like how many months are there in between two dates. So you will get it from months between. Add months, suppose if I need to add any number of months in a date, so you can do that so. And the last day we can get, suppose this is August month. So what is the last date of this month? You can get using that. So if I can show you example. So this is how we use all the date functions and the utilities of that. So now let me show you few example as well, like how it looks like when we go to database. Though I have not explained you the syntax for all the date function, but I just want to walk you through. So suppose I'm just going to use last day on this date. Okay. So if I'm going to run it, so let's see what the result is going to come. So the last date of this month will be 31st August 20. And if I want to add 2 months in my current date, so in that case, we are going to add months, and then you can get like this. And if I want to know how many months are there between today's date and day after 20 days. So if I'm going to run it, you will get result, which is 0.645 months. Got it? So I'm going to explain you in very much detail about all these functions. In addition to that, we'll explain few more date functions, but these are the 3 functions we generally use on daily basis when you will write query. And I have not explained you how we can get the year part or month name or day name and all these things. So that all these functions and all we will cover when I'm going to explain you very much detail about date functions in another journeys. So let's recap then. What are things we learned so far? So we learned 3 functions today. One was months between, then last day, and add months, right? So hopefully you understood these functions and liked it. So my request will be just to like and subscribe our video so that we can keep working in the same pace. Thanks all of you. Have a good day.